candy pops from Basic Fun Toys.
Yes, guys, today Kaydence is so excited. She gets to open up the Candy Pop Series 1 from Basic Fun Toys. Now, Kaydence, tell the K Crew a little bit about some of the items that came in your unboxing kit.
So, I got a pin.
And that pin can be used to check off all of the ones that she got on her collector's guide there.
I got stickers with their names on it.
Who doesn't love stickers?
I got these pins.
Oh, those are so cute.
I got lollipops.
Oh, those are good.
I got
Some candies there.
more candy. Got Jello. And I got this shimmery sticker. And I got the ball.
Alright guys, we're not going to keep you waiting any longer. We know you are ready to see what's inside of these cute candy pops. Alright Kaydence, go ahead and make it happen. Now these come with a perforated edge there that you can just unwrap, take all the plastic off, and pop open for your surprise.
I hope I get sprinkles or sweetness.
She's been looking at the collector's guide and she has her eye on a few of those. And look how cute that little ball is. It looks like a little candy pop, for real. It's so cute.
No time to open it.
Well, that's the way to open it.
Now,
So you have a cute little blind bag there.
okay guys, I'm gonna pull it out. Guys, I see what I got. I got apple.
Okay, go ahead and mark it off on your collector's guide.
Ooh, I like the neon color.
Good job. Now go ahead and go to your next one. All right, she's on to number 2.
I think I know what I got. Guys, look how pretty this is. Okay. I just gotta twist it. Let's see who I got here. Her name is Dottie.
It's Dottie. All right, K Crew, we're gonna go ahead and open up the rest of these really cute candy pops, and we'll be right back to show you her full collection. All right, K Crew, we are back. Kaydence has unboxed all of her candy pops, and she has some exciting news to share with you.
So guys, this one was a Dottie, but I got strawberry.
She's adorable. Alright, Kaydence, now all of the 7 that you have, which are your favorites?
So we have her, sprinkles, green apple, strawberry, mostly all of them. Basic Fun Toys and Rim Beanie, thank you so much. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.